Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again to Tradespeople's Tips. Today we're going to be replacing, if I can get the key out the door, this door lock, and I've locked it. Right, if I start again, unlock it. Alright, we're going to be replacing this lock. Now, as you do, let me just dress back a bit. And just below your lock, at the bottom, just there, you have a screw. Now you've got to take that screw out. It's a Phillips screwdriver, and anti-clockwise to remove, clockwise to tighten up. So we take that out, just like that. Eventually. There's a screw. Let's put that to one side. Now the reason for your key is when you go to pull it out, see the lock come out? But if should the lock stuck, then you need to turn your key to there. When you go to buy your lock, you need to measure from this corner to the hole in, from the hole in the middle to the other corner. I'm going to measure that before I go. Sorry, I sound a bit out of breath in it. Or I'm going to take the lock with me and just compare it. But I'm going to do the measurements now and show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, but that's how simple it is to remove it, and then to refit it again. Put it back in. If it's not going in, just turn your key a little and you will see there. So just turn your key till it's all lined up, and there you go. Alright, once you get it in there, get your screw back in. Put your screw in there, roughly. Just put a little bit of pressure on this screw. Your hand, I'm trying to use one hand here. And you just pull your lock, and you will feel where, you hear that noise? Listen. That's where it's hitting the screw, I think. Just to line it up. Yeah, and you push your lock, it'll fall into place. Okay, so we're gonna get a new lock and come back and fit it and let you see. See you in a minute. Okay, here we go. This is my lock. As I said to you, I'm gonna measure it. Get my tape measure, and if I measure from there to the center bit, it's about 2 inches. And if I measure from there to there, it's about 2 inches. So the hole is dead center of the lock. Some of these either or either side, maybe a little bit longer depending on the door. And that's it. We're gonna go and get one now. See ya. Okay, I'm back. We've been out. We bought a new lock. That's the old one. Whatever you need to. Right, but I took it to the shop and the guy measured it and he compared it, and there you are. £17 something this lock was, so it's not that bad at all. Right, the screws you get with it, there's a new one and there's your old one. Right, now if I check the length of them, you can see one's a bit longer than the other. So I'm going to keep my original one and I'm going to try it just in there. It should be a standard thread, and there you are, it fits. So I'm going to keep the original screw and put my old ones away. I'm going to keep my old lock because there's nothing wrong with it. I could always use it again somewhere else for whatever reason. Yeah? So what I'm going to do now, put my key in the lock. I also got 3 keys with it, which is not bad. Put my key in the lock if I can, some way, somehow. Can't see what I'm doing properly. Oh, I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to fit this back now, so watch me for a second, yeah? I just put a little bit of pressure on the screw, just a little bit, and I push my lock, and it'll fall in place. See this screw moving? From there, I just tighten it up, catch it by hand, a couple of turns, make sure it's alright. Get my screwdriver, clockwise, tighten it up, turn my lock, Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.